While noting that the COVID-19 pandemic has plunged many households into hunger, President Irfan Ali, in an address to the nation on Wednesday evening, noted that a survey conducted by the private sector revealed that there were closures by several small businesses, contraction by many large-scale, and the loss of income for individuals. The president said his administration is focused on securing the population with the implementation of good health measures while ensuring economic benefits for the business community and households alike.
To this end, as a government, we have been working at implementing an approach that brings together all the stakeholders. The objective of our approach is to ensure the multifaceted aspect of the COVID-19 pandemic is addressed.
The president posited that in addition to a $4.5 billion allocation to assist in the country's COVID response, a further $60 million is in the pipeline for relief efforts, in addition to a $2 million grant by the government of India. The president also spoke to the acquisition of N95 masks, thereby increasing the inventory total over a 2-week period.
The government has been able to move to a situation from which we had less than 10,000 N95 masks in the system 2 weeks ago, to a current situation where we have approximately 65,000 N95 masks available, and an additional 25,000 in order.
30 new medical technologists are to be trained and will deliver their services within the next 2 weeks, according to the president. 2 new automatic machines are also to be sourced to cut testing turnaround time from 92 hours, thereby decreasing a backlog and ushering in mass testing. The president revealed that there are only 4 working ventilators at the Georgetown Public Hospital Corporation, and therefore 29 ventilators are to be acquired by next week, which will be distributed throughout the country. He also spoke to the Infectious Disease Center, which he says will be converted to an isolation center. President Ali, in addressing the academic needs of children with disabilities and children who do not have access to internet, has stated that he has asked the Ministry of Education to draft a complete and comprehensive plan to keep teachers and students engaged and also to have schools in a state of readiness at the earliest possible time.
In the interim, the ministry has been tasked to put the infrastructure in place for the delivery of the curriculum via the Learning Channel, state radio broadcasting, and privately owned media houses.
He further stressed that the COVID-19 pandemic poses a serious financial threat, apart from being a global risk. Therefore, he stated, in consultation with the Guyana Bankers Association, the moratorium is to be extended to the end of December 2020. The Bank of Guyana will also relax Section 14 and 15 of supervisory guidelines.
These measures will result in overall increased liquidity in the financial sector.
Continuing with financial plans for the economy, the president stressed on relaxation of out-of-bank charges, especially to senior citizens.
Commercial banks have agreed to waive all bank charges, especially ATM, local merchant charges, to encourage more out-of-bank transactions, as well as charges for transactions by senior citizens.
Reporting for the HGP Nightly News, Wendell Badrie.